Hey there, Psychology Facts family. Are you tired of playing games in the dating world? Want to know the secret to making women chase you without any tricks? In today's video, we'll reveal the top psychology-backed strategies that will make you irresistible. 1. The power of confidence. Confidence is like a potent magnet, effortlessly attracting people to you. Envision yourself stepping into a room with an air of self-assurance. Your head held high, shoulders pulled back, and a warm, genuine smile gracing your face. This seemingly simple change in posture and demeanor can make a significant impact on how others perceive you. When you exude confidence, you signal to others that you are comfortable in your own skin, have a strong sense of self-worth, and possess the ability to navigate social situations with ease. This, in turn, makes you more attractive and approachable to those around you, including women. By cultivating a confident mindset and consistently practicing self-assurance in your daily life, you'll soon notice women becoming increasingly drawn to your magnetic presence, intrigued by your self-confidence, and eager to engage with you on a deeper level. 2. The power of genuine interest. Imagine you're at a social gathering, and someone inquires about your favorite hobby or pastime. Your eyes light up, and you can't help but share your passion with excitement and fervor. This genuine enthusiasm is not only contagious but also incredibly appealing, making women want to be around you and engage in conversation. So, be curious, ask thought-provoking questions, and demonstrate genuine interest in getting to know them on a deeper level. By doing so, you'll create meaningful connections and foster an atmosphere of mutual understanding and appreciation. This authentic approach to communication will not only make you more attractive to others but also help you build lasting relationships based on trust and shared interests. 3. The importance of being a good listener. Picture a friend pouring their heart out to you, sharing their deepest thoughts and emotions, and you're giving them your undivided attention, making eye contact, and offering empathetic responses. This act of attentive listening makes them feel valued, understood, and respected. By being an exceptional listener, you'll create a deep and meaningful connection with women, making them feel heard and appreciated. This, in turn, will make you stand out from the crowd and become someone they genuinely want to chase and invest their time in. Remember, the art of listening goes beyond just hearing the words spoken. It involves understanding the emotions behind them, asking thoughtful questions, and offering support and encouragement when needed. Cultivate this skill, and you'll find yourself building stronger, more fulfilling relationships with those around you. 4. Having a sense of humor. Imagine sharing a hearty laugh with someone, and the instant bond it creates between you. Laughter is a universal language that transcends cultural barriers and brings people together, fostering a sense of camaraderie and shared joy. So, don't be afraid to showcase your funny side and make women laugh with your wit, clever observations, or amusing anecdotes. They'll be drawn to your light-hearted energy, finding it refreshing and irresistible. A well-timed joke or a playful tease can work wonders in breaking the ice and making others feel at ease in your presence. By cultivating your sense of humor and using it to connect with others, you'll not only make yourself more attractive to women but also create lasting memories filled with laughter and happiness. 5. The importance of independence. Picture a person who has their own life, interests, and goals. Someone who is self-reliant and confident in their pursuits. This sense of independence is incredibly attractive and magnetic. By having your own life, passions, and aspirations, and not being overly reliant on others for validation or support, you'll show women that you're a strong, self-sufficient individual who's worth chasing. Embracing your independence also demonstrates that you have a healthy balance between your personal life and your relationships, which is essential for fostering a strong, long-lasting connection. So, invest time in yourself, cultivate your interests, and strive for personal growth. In doing so, you'll not only become a more well-rounded individual but also someone who naturally attracts others with your self-assured, independent spirit. And there you have it. These are the top strategies to make women chase you without playing games. Remember, confidence, genuine interest, attentive listening, a sense of humor, and independence are the keys to becoming irresistible. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Psychology Facts for more amazing content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.